This is a Ryan Little production.
Yo, what up, guys? Yo, what up, guys? So today we're doing another video on the STI. Let's roll. Alright guys, so as you remember, my hood got dented in a couple places and kind of tweaked, so I went out and got me a new hood.
Here we go, guys. So this is the hood I got. It's off of 05 RX. It's blue, obviously not black, but has no dents and it's really good condition, so let's do it.
Okay, so next step, guys. Oh, I didn't even say this step before, huh? This step. So the hood I got didn't come with the hood latch right here. As I was saying, it didn't come with the hood latch right here. So I had to take off the one from my other hood and try to fit it onto here.
Alright guys, so we brought the hood inside the garage. It was getting way too hot out there in the grass. Now we're just going to bolt up the latch right here and then swap out all the parts from the old hood to this hood.
Yeah, boy. So we're gonna take this intake spray thing off because it doesn't fit with the RX hood scoop. Hood scoop, hood scoop, hood scoop, hood scoop. That's what they do in the movies, right? Hood scoop. We're just gonna take...
Tilt the fish.
Tilt the fish. So we're just gonna take this off till I fix the other hood scoop and then we'll swap it back on later on. So what's just left to do now is just getting all the bolts tightened and align the hood right so it closes good. So for the next video, I'm probably going to be working on getting a new one of these and fixing it because it's all broken, and then we'll work on the bumper. Alright guys, so we got the new to me hood installed because it's new to my car, but it's a used hood. That's just another step of fixing the front end of my car. So thank you again for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and if you guys want to hit that bell at the top, it's going to be right here or right here. But thanks again, guys.